The tool palettes are a convenient interface for storing blocks that can be used in other drawings. In this lesson, you will drag blocks from a saved drawing onto a new tool palette. Then you will open another drawing and use the tool palette to insert blocks into the drawing. Open the Plumbing 7 project file to begin. Switch to the View tab and click Tool Palettes. Alternatively, you can type the word Tool Palettes to open this from the command line. The tool palettes contain a lot of preset content that shifts with AutoCAD. You can customize this any way you like. Right-click on an existing palette and choose New Palette. I'm going to call this Plumbing and press Enter. I'll right-click on it and say Move Up, and in this way you can order the palettes. Move up again. You see? I'll move it up all the way to the top. If I had fewer palettes, then they wouldn't be cut off here with an ellipsis after each name, or the 3 dots, that is. So right now my plumbing palette is empty. It's very easy to add content to the tool palette. Simply select a block and drag it in and drop it. This symbol indicates that this is a dynamic block. This will only work, however, if you drag a block from a previously saved drawing, because this is referenced directly to this Plumbing 7 drawing file. If you delete the Plumbing 7 drawing file at some point in the future, this reference will be broken. Right-click on the icon and choose Properties. Here you can specify a specific rotation for the block, or you can ask for it to prompt for rotation. I'll choose Yes, and then OK. So now I can click this, insert the block, and then rotate it. I can select the block and use its grip menu to choose from one of the options. We can also insert static blocks into the tool palette as well. Let's try that. Go back to the Home tab, click the Insert button on the block panel, and insert the check valve. Do that again and insert the gate valve. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and insert the globe valve as well. Select the object and don't drag it from its grip, because that would just stretch or move the object. Instead, you need to drag it from someplace on the object, but not on the grip. Drag it into the tool palette and drop it. Do that again. And notice that you have this bar. If I want this to appear above the check valve, I can just move up here and drop it, and the gate valve appears up there. I'll grab the globe valve and bring it in also. Again, for each one of these tools, it's necessary to right-click, go to Properties, and then change the prompt for rotation parameter if you want that to happen. Now let's go ahead and open an older drawing in this project called Plumbing 1. Click Open on the Quick Access toolbar and open the Plumbing 1 file. Now over here we have a series of pipes, but no valves. I can very easily add these valves to this drawing. Before I do, let's create a new layer called Fittings. And let's make that cyan in color. Make the Fittings layer current and close the Layer Properties Manager. Then it's very easy to go ahead and click the gate valve and insert it. Or you can insert the dynamic block. In this way, you can populate the tool palettes with all your commonly used blocks. In this lesson, you learned how to create a new tool palette and how to add tools to it. You also customized a tool's properties and used it to insert a block into another drawing.